Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute Instagram account. We will start by opening the Instagram app and entering our profile. Next, we are going to use the search icon below to find the account we want to silence and click on it. Once in the profile of that account, we will click on the following option. We will see that some options open, and in this case, we will click on Mute. Next, activate those elements that you want to mute from that account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We can also manage notifications about that account. To do this, click on the top bell icon, and there we can choose which notifications we want to activate or deactivate for that account. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.